Hey everyone! Welcome back to another quick tech guide. Today, I'll show you how to delete your Incognito browser history on Android, step by step. First, remember, Incognito mode doesn't actually save your browsing history, but some traces like DNS cache or downloads can still remain on your phone. So, here's what you can do. Step 1. Open Chrome and type chrome.net internals .dns in the address bar. Then tap Clear Host Cache. Step 2. Tap on Hold Chrome Browser. Then tap on iBottom. Tap on Storage. And clear both cache and storage. That's it! You've now cleared all Incognito traces from your Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tips.